season 2023, and we are here in Nairobi, Kenya. And as usual, we are championing sustainable development for African communities. And today here is our guest. Let's hear from him. Over to you.
Thank you, Helen Mary. My name is Methuselah Rono, and I come from Kuresoi, which is part of the Mau complex. I'm a farmer
Okay.
from there.
And where is Mau Complex found in which part of Kenya?
Yes, Mau complex is in Nakuru County.
Okay. That's the Rift Valley, the famous Rift Valley, right?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so what do you want to tell us about farming communities and conserving the Mau forest?
Thank you. That is really my passion at the moment, because I come from just next to the forest, and in the past few years I've seen the destruction of the forest. So I'm championing right now sustainable farming, where farmers are able to look at farming next to the forest as as a means of income, and not looking at the destruction of the forest, because some of those people are so poor that they look at the forest for daily income. So I'm championing change in our society, in the village where I come from, called Kiletin.
Okay. Kilatin village.
Yes, please.
All right. And you don't want the communities to go into the forest to cut the trees, which we call deforestation. What do you want them to do in place? I mean, you got to give them an alternative. So what alternative do you have in mind?
Absolutely. There are many things that we really need to support. If we get the funding, we will be able to help the communities to be able to plant fruit trees, to be able to plant potatoes, to be able to plant short-term vegetables which can help them. Some of them can keep dairy goats or dairy cows, and by we'll be able to change them by from going into the forest and concentrating on the farm.
All right. So there you have it, folks. Mau forests. We're championing afforestation. Till next time. See ya. Bye.